tell us about the background behind the naming of your aircraft.
Our aircraft is known as the Minarsky Memorial Lancaster, and it's dedicated to the memory of a Canadian air gunner by the name of Andrew Minarsky, who came from Winnipeg, Manitoba. On June 13, 1944, Andrew's crew took off on what was their 13th mission to attack a set of German rail yards near the French town of Cambrai. On their way to the target, the aircraft was attacked by a German night fighter, and 3 cannon shells struck the aircraft, one setting fire to a hydraulic line in the aft part of the fuselage. The rear gunner, Pat Brophy, was stuck in his turret, and while the captain gave the order to abandon the aircraft, Andrew went to aid his friend, and as a consequence of that, ended up catching fire. He managed to get out of the aircraft after a valiant effort to attempt to save his friend, but unfortunately, he made a very hard landing in France and died very shortly after. Pat Brophy survived the aircraft crash. Evidence gathered by the RAF and the RCAF, Andrew Minarsky was awarded a posthumous Victoria Cross that was presented by the Governor-General of Canada in 1946 in Winnipeg to his mother. We've dedicated our aircraft to Andrew Minarsky's sacrifice.
That's a real stirring story, and of course Andrew Minarsky, just one of the 55,000 plus young men of RAF Bomber Command who gave their lives, making the ultimate sacrifice in the Second World War. And it's strange to think that of the some 7,300 Lancasters that were manufactured, almost half of which were actually lost on operations in the Second World War, these are the only 2 airworthy examples left. For those who wish to know, it's the RAF's Lancaster that's leading, and the Canadian Lancaster is second. Who's on board the Canadian Lancaster at the moment?
As I understand it, Don Schofield and Leon Evans are 2 lead pilots on the Lancaster, and interestingly enough, both